ISTE sponsored ISTE sponsored refresher program and data analytics treasurer and big data visualization in augmented reality and virtual reality. At first, I would like to welcome our chief guest, Colonel B. Venkat sir, Director, Faculty Development Cell, AICTE. Welcome you, sir. Now, I would like to welcome our Honorable Principal Sir, Dr. N. Anbuchedian sir, RMD Engineering College. Welcome you, sir. Next, I would like to welcome our beloved Head of the Department, Dr. P. Elumalai sir, Professor and Head of CSE, RMD Engineering College. Welcome you, sir. Now, I would like to welcome our participants, professors and research scholars and my co-faculty members. Welcome you all. I request the participants to actively participate to make the event great, successful and fruitful to all of us. Thank you. My co-host Manisha will be continuing, sir.
Now I request our respected principal, Dr. N. Anbuchedian sir, to address the forum about RMD Engineering College. Please, sir.
Very good morning to all of you. On behalf of management of RMD Engineering College and on my own behalf and on behalf of the CSE Department of RMD Engineering College, wholehearted welcome to Colonel B. Venkat, Director, Faculty Development Center, for this wonderful one-week AICTE, ISTE sponsored program. Hearty welcome to Colonel Venkat sir, and a hearty welcome to the Head of the Department of RMD Engineering College, Coordinator Dr. Sobarani Madam, all the external faculty members and the internal faculty members. Once again, hearty welcome to all of you. Since this is a one-week sponsor, AICTE ISTE sponsored FDP program, I just want to introduce RMD Engineering College because you are going to be here for 1 week. Let me take briefly for about 10 minutes to share about the few introduction points about our RMD Engineering College. Once again, on behalf of our chairman, members of the management, principal, dean, HODs, faculty, and students, hearty welcome to all of you. We belong to RMK group of institutions. The first engineering college was RMK Engineering College. It was started during the year 1995. And ours is the second engineering college, RMD Engineering College in our group. And it was started during the year 2001. Founder of our RMK group is Sri R.S. Muniratnam. He is a dynamic personality, a great visionary and a philanthropist, former member of Tamil Nadu State Assembly continuously for 3 times. He was the MLA. He was instrumental in setting up industrial estate, SIPCOT, and Institute of Road Transport at Gummudipundi. Currently, he is the president of Consortium of Self-Financing Professional Arts and Science Colleges in Tamil Nadu. He is also the currently chief patron of All India Federation of Self-Financing Technical Institutions. He received the Vidyaratna Award for his outstanding achievements in the field of education for the rural community. And our beloved Vice Chairman, Sri R.M. Kishore, he obtained his bachelor's degree in mechanical engineering from the University of Madras, master's degree in business administration from University of Huddersfield, UK. He is the syndicate member in Anna University, chairman of Education and Skill Expert Committee of the Madras Chamber of Commerce and Industry. He is also the Executive Council member of Indian Society for Technical Education. And these are all the other members of the trust. It is a family-owned trust running 8 institutions, out of which 3 are engineering colleges. Our RMD Engineering College was started in the year 2001 by Sri Swaminathan Naidu Educational Trust. Our college is approved by AICTE New Delhi, affiliated to Anna University, Chennai. All the eligible UG programs, 5 programs, are re-accredited by NBA for 3 years up to and valid up to June 2023. We are also accredited by NAC. Ours is an ISO 9001:2015 certified institution, and ours is also an autonomous institution, which was granted during last academic year. And currently we are running this many number of programs, BE Computer Science Engineering with 180 intake, BE Electronics and Communication Engineering with 180 intake, BTech Information Technology with 60 intake, BTech Computer Science and Business Systems with 60 intake. This BTech program is a Virtusa company batch adoption program, and this BTech Computer Science and Business Systems is a TCS own program. It is a TCS powered program. Throughout India, only 55 institutions have been permitted by TCS and approved by AICTE and Anna University for running this course. And we have this year we have introduced BTech program in artificial intelligence and machine learning with the 60 intake. And we have one PG program, ME Computer Science and Engineering. And we have 2 Anna University approved research centers, both in Computer Science and Engineering and Mathematics department. And our total number of faculty as on date, it is 151. And the number out of this 151, number of doctorates are 58. It accounts for about 38.41%. And the number of faculty members pursuing PhD is 33 currently. Our faculty student ratio is 1:13.31. And this is our vision and mission. And related to some of the institute awards, achievements, and recognitions, we are in the NIRF ranking. Our rank band is 201 to 250 in 2021. Last year also it was the same status. And we have received Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan National Award for the Best Engineering College for its overall performance in the year 2010 by the Indian Society for Technical Education, New Delhi. We have also received this AICTE CII joint survey of best industry linked technical institutes. In 2020, we have received the Scient Award for best industry linked institute category for our computer science and IT engineering. And we have, apart from this, for all the other years, for the past 6 years, we are rated as platinum category for all the branches in this survey. And we are also ranked 5th place in Swachhata ranking during 2017 by MHRD. We have also received Eat Right Campus with 5-star rating from the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, that is FSSAI from Government of India. And we are Swayam NPTEL recognized. We have a local chapter. And in this, based on the number of online certification courses obtained by our faculty and students, we have been awarded AA rating, which means it is out of top 100 institutions named by NPTEL, Swayam NPTEL, recognized by NPTEL. We are in the 54th place throughout India. And similarly, we have received National Employability Award from Aspiring Minds. And during 2018 state level, we have received, 2019 to state level, we have received this award. And in 2020 also state level, we have received this award. And I'm very happy to inform that in 2021 national level, we have received this award. And similarly, we are rated as one of the best engineering colleges in Tamil Nadu by Careers 360, India Today, Outlook, Digital Learning, The Week, and Times of India. The 4-star rated, currently rating was awarded by AICTE. We have a highest rating of 4-star. This 4-star rated Institution Innovation Council is effectively functioning in our institution. And similarly, we have 10 centers of excellence with industry sponsored laboratories for exclusive BU hiring, business unit hiring by the respective industries in different domains. Apart from this, we have signed MOUs with several 24 MOUs with several reputed industries and foreign universities. We are also accredited by TCS. Excellent academic performance we are maintaining for the past 10 years. And excellent placement record also we are maintaining. We are known for our placement, and it is more than 85% consecutively for the past 10 years with an average of 122 companies visiting every year. Our average salary package is increasing every year. And similarly, we have produced 12 gold medalists, 581 university ranks, and 7,621 graduates since inception, with an average of more than 90% graduation every year. And this is about our current year placement. In the day one placement alone, 145 plus regular recruiters, consistently above 85% annual placement conversion. In the day one campus placement, 4 companies, they shared the day one, and our total offers received by our students is 438. Number of students, they have received 2 offers, 3 offers from various companies. And this is about our placement details in 2019-20, 2021, and 21-22. Currently, for the final year students, the 7th semester placement process is going on. But as on date, with the 67 companies have recruited our students online, and our placement percentage is 80.20%, and with the highest salary package of 8.4 lakhs, out of which number of students placed with more than 5 lakhs salary package is 52. It is increasing every year. And for this, to attain this type of percentage of placement, we are using this 360-degree structured training programs, which covers all the areas from semester 1 to 6th semester. We are imparting these trainings to our students. Apart from this, as I mentioned already, we have centers of excellence with various industries. Our AI and data science COE with Cognizant and Virtusa, automotive electronics COE with KPIT and BOSS, cloud computing COE with Virtusa, cyber security COE with Tata Consultancy Services. Like this, we have 10 COEs we have. And related to our research activities, we are having 2 recognized research centers. Currently, 21 Anna University recognized supervisors are available in our campus. 110 research scholars are pursuing PhD degree at RMD Engineering College. 17 research scholars have completed PhD degree during this academic year alone. Our H index is 21 in Scopus indexed journals, and 254 papers have been published in SCI, Scopus, and other journals in this academic year alone. 29 patents have been published, and 5 patents are under examination for grant during this academic year. As on date, our faculty members are having 33 consultancy projects, and it is going on. 9 sponsored research project proposals have been submitted to various government bodies. And during this COVID period, we have initiated various special initiatives for online learning, out of which this AI-powered personalized learning campus. We have introduced this RMK Next Gen app so that our students can go through through this app. They can do wonderful many number of activities. Similarly, for counseling system, we have introduced Pragati app, our digital course materials, Skill Rack programming, Skill Rack portal for learning the programs, etc. We have introduced all these measures during this COVID period, because of which we are able to maintain our placement percentage during this past 2 years. And thank you very much for your patience. I don't want to take much of your time. Thank you, Colonel Venkat sir, and other external participants and internal participants. Thank you for your patience. Thank you for the
Thank you for your valuable insights, sir. Now I request our beloved HOD, Dr. P. Edumali, sir, Professor and Head, Department of CSE, to welcome our Honorable Chief Guest, Colonel V. Venkat, sir. Please, sir, thank you for addressing.
Thank you, madam. So let me welcome once again to our today's inauguration guest, Colonel B. Venkat, Director, Faculty Development Cell, AICT New Delhi. So welcome you, sir. Thanks for accepting our invitation. I would like to extend my welcome, so along with my principal. So thanks for choosing our college for this induction program on the topic of data analytics, treasure, big data visualization in augmented reality and virtual reality. So in this regard, so I will warm welcome on behalf of our management So I thanks for management for creating facility so to offer such a wonderful initiative for the faculty development program. So with this, today's 3 sessions are there. So inauguration session address will be given by Colonel B. Venkat sir, Director AICT, and along with second session, Nicholas Professor NIT is going to handle the second session. The third, Jagdeep Singh, Senior Computer Programmer, Zendeck is Ludhiana. He is going to handle the topic of big data visualization and its effect. So this is the session for the today. So with this, I would like to introduce our inauguration guest, Colonel B. Venkat. He is a Director, AICT, Faculty Development Cell. So Colonel B. Venkat is serving Army officer from the technical branch. That is a Corps of Electronics and Mechanical Engineering. Sir is having done his mechanical engineering from Army Institutes. Sir is having nearly 30 years of service experience and served all possible appointments of command, staff, and instructional. The officer is presently on deputation with the AICT and it's handling faculty development related issues and the release of grants through AICT AQAC scheme. Colonel B. Venkat sir has a unique distinction of representing India as its technical military attached to Russia. Sir also handles AICT quality initiatives like NITT, National Initiative for Technical Teachers Training, which is mandatory for the purpose of regularization and promotion for all the teachers, implementing examination reforms and the process of NEP 2020. So this is a brief introduction of our today's inauguration guest, Colonel B. Venkat sir. So with this, I welcome for sir once again. Thank you for opportunity for me. Thank you, sir.
Thank you for addressing the forum, sir. Now I request our Honorable Chief Guest, Colonel B. Venkat sir, Director, Faculty Development Cell, AICT, to address the gathering. Please, sir.
Good morning, ma'am, and thanks a lot for the initial introduction. Thanks a lot for the brief presentation in respect of your institute. It was wonderful to see that the institute that we are addressing today and the institute which has been selected to conduct this particular activity and the program fulfills each and every requirement and each and every criteria that is supposed to be there with an educational institute, that too of a higher technical institute, who is providing education to the students, and the purpose behind providing education to the students is to make them capable and competent and thereby give them a professional education towards their overall growth. By having these kind of achievements and qualification and parameters fulfillment of your respective institute, it is but obvious that the above mentioned activities are being provided. And why not? This is what is desired. This is what is written in the NEP. This is what is the way ahead. Autonomous status. The status of accreditation is something which is the desired way. And with your institute having already these credentials, you need to now look forward and beyond. I really appreciated that app which was shown. It was a wonderful way of getting connected with everybody and still go on to educate each and everyone on the various nuances. And this is where, exactly speaking, when we come out for conducting faculty development programs. And today when you and me are connected for conducting this program on data analytics treasure and big data visualization in augmented reality and virtual reality, I need not emphasize on the importance of the subjects. I don't think so that the subjects require any emphasis, but yes, a re-mention of the topic which is already known to everybody, and that happens to be in the coming generations and in the times to come, we are going to see a huge involvement of data analytics. Data is supposed to be now the catchword for any activity, and how to analysis or do analysis of the data and then go about to generate your decisions or the course of actions is something now that is going to be one of the biggest activity. And when you people are going to be conducting this, you are actually speaking very much aligned to multiple necessities and needs when you are also going for basically a concept of multidisciplinary, wherein you are involving the same emerging area technology in a multiple manner. So the compliments to your institute, compliments to each and everyone. behind this particular activity wherein we have got together today over an AICT sponsored 1-week training program, which we are very much conducting and executing it through the ISTE. So I need to mention about your institute, RMD Engineering College, and basically the Department of Computer Science and Engineering. Well done. It was great to get connected with you people. It was wonderful to see that you have a very large participation of attendees who have joined in. I sincerely need to thank Dr. Azumalai sir for being the convener and Dr. Shobha Rani madam for being the coordinators, and multiple more people who have gone behind and who are very much involved in today's activity but are not present due to various reasons. The complete management, the staff, the principals, sir, without whom these kind of activities do not go ahead in the manner in which it is conducted. So full compliments to the institute for taking it forward. Full compliments to the institute for ensuring that you are connected with many people beyond. And yes, the knowledge which is there with you people, the knowledge which you people are now going to be sharing over 1 week while getting in touch with many resource people. I think it's collectively we only benefit. It is our faculty members, our research scholars, collectively faculty members benefit. We go on to pass on this knowledge to students. And that is how the education system prospers. IST, wonderful. It's been a great association with IST as far as the ICT is concerned. Their Honorable President IST, the Executive Secretary, and all functionaries at their respective state level have been going out of their way to make these kind of programs a success. Their sole intention of making education system that much more robust and that much more capable is the driving point wherein AICT got in touch with IST to conduct these kind of programs. So this has been a huge success today when we see these programs, the manner in which it is going. And I would like to have the small address with the participants. Participants, you people have chosen to come for this particular program. And once having chosen to come for this particular program, I think the least you and me together can do is we can have a patient hearing to this kind of a sessions which are going on. We can actually go about and make a change in ourselves. We can go about later on after having taken the complete learning outcomes from these 6 days, go about to carry out a change in our workplace. And should we go back and execute or put it in principle, whatever we have learned, I think that should be the takeaway and that should be the give back, pay back to what we can give to various resource people and the coordinators, conveners, conductors, the institute for the effort that they have put in for last 1 week. So thank you. Thanks a lot. It's an absolute pleasure to be connected with you people. And I, from AICT, Colonel Venkat, I sincerely need to thank once again each one of you for giving us a chance to be connected to you and be speaking on this platform. Wishing you all the best do remain in touch with AICT. It's our pleasure to have chosen such a brilliant institute to conduct this kind of programs. Anything from AICT, do let us know. It will be a pleasure to come back to you. Best wishes and Jai Hind.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you for addressing the forum, sir. Now I request
In fact,
our party.
1 second, madam. Our vice chairman
Okay,
wanted to attend this program, sir.
Just a minute.
But today he is having a meeting, an urgent meeting with the Anna University Vice Chancellor. So he went to Anna University. He was not in a position to attend. So he conveyed his best regards to you, sir, Colonel, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thanks a lot. It's an honor to be listening from the Honorable Vice Chairman of your group of institutes. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Now I request our coordinator, Dr. P. Shobha Rani, ma'am, Associate Professor, to address about the event. Please, ma'am.
Thank you, Manisha ma'am. Very good morning to one and all connected through our meet. Thanks a lot, Colonel and sir. I gave so many troubles to you through my WhatsApp messages, but still patiently you gave the reply message to all my messages. Thanks a lot from your side. Okay, sir, thanks for the opportunity given to me. This AR/VR Big Data Analytics Visualization and their effects. So this 6 days programs, what we are going to learn and what events we are going to conduct is nothing but because AR/VR is separately, will be there so many programs, and then big data visualization, so many programs is there. But our program is going to do a big data visualization, big data streaming, big data cleansing, and big data effects in AR/VR, and we are going to learn about the AR/VR research, AR/VR startups, and how the AR/VR will be doing with the various types of the apps. That is nothing but the Blip apps, for example, and a Unity software, as well as your mixed reality developer, all the various, and then we are going to learn about the Google Cardboard, and we are going to learn about VR integration with the big data, demonstration with the big data using Unity, and a demonstration of integrating VR with the 3D modeling and interactive architectural visualization using Wikitude AR Studio. And then we are going to make use of the data analytics and their effect in AR VR, and we are going to learn the creation of AR VR application through 3D Unity software. And then, as usual, it is a mandatory that we are going to get in a national educational policy, and as well as the emotional stress balancing through yoga and meditation for this program. Thanks a lot for the dignitaries who joined through this meet, and thanks for all the participants who have taken initiative to learn or to increase their knowledge through our program. And from the department, as well as from the principal sir and HOD sir, and from the management, I extend my thanks to all of you, and have a great day. Thank you, Manisha ma'am. Yes. We'll take a break, sir.
I thank all the beloved HOD sir and beloved principal sir and Dr. Colonel sir, chief guest. Thank you, ma'am, coordinator, ma'am, Shobharani, ma'am. Thank you all. Next session will be starts at 11. All the participants, please join the session before 5 minutes prior. Thank you all. Thank you, sir. Sir.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you all.
Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Sir, thank you for joining, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.